It is said that the governor Simba Arati refused to appear as the Senate. Is it true?
Simba has refused to appear at the Senate for 1 year. That's why I say nothing. You see, most people about oversight. My job is not prosecutorial. Tinko nyoro monto ibire chwe county ni andendi yo muskali. Motevito ento bwato monto yo ibire. My job igon koira what the auditor general akongereria. That is what Richi Koliotewa.
Okay.
Na agenda through ebinto bikolere county inkyo auditor general raise it.
Right.
Nkaraise ebinto byonse p at the Senate. The second year he came. The third year he came halfway. Umwaka oyo Wednesday unatuwa chakere for 6 months there and 6 months here. Simba has never come to the Senate.
Right.
So I am not able to interrogate him in Takoleta. Lakini beyond spin over. There are people kaniti chibesa in advance without tendering and procurement. Abantu baletete biragite bimoroche bigo taraga busongo ne company yemo registered with an address eresuna Migori.
Okay.
Abantu bako ndi biragite imugusino no yamatayo. Oko wirigere limbibu ati number plate nkaboli na aboli Senate. I want the governor of Kisii to show me the registration of chimashini agora. Biragite byo biragita biria, most of them be reused. Bitato byara agure. You see, ngateba I want to see the documents chiretete biragite ikoro ngumbu. That's how you know what se biragita ne biyo se ne bikoro. I want to know ngomo eteli bagachi ko gole biragita koro ngumbu and yete biragita mbire Kenya bikogorwa. Ne serikali richi kole watebe bintu byonse bikoreki. Bigolu Kenya unless it's a special machine.
Right.
Binde byonse bi agreement umuntu wakanwa nobody knows how much money ibiragite ibuna bikolema nobody knows. Lakini yo choteba we are doing again to gekoro consolidation ngatutagete company emechi para na abo mubunge gabo tutyaje myaka 20. Nkamuni kinabo gate koleme biragite. Kate National Youth Service onyo utagete arete biragite bya serikali ta ko enda rusi biragite National Service abe kama butabirene.
Right.